Governments across Asia cracking down on Deepseek.
China's latest AI breakthrough has leapfrogged the world.
China has recently launched their own LLM model called Deepseek, and it is 27 times cheaper than ChatGPT, which makes it a perfect tool for us to build our AI agents on. Well, in this video, I'll show you how you can safely use Deepseek in your N8N workflows without losing your data. Let's get started. Okay, so we'll add a new step here, which will be a manual trigger, and then we'll add a HTTP module. Since Deepseek is directly not integrated in N8N, we'll use a different method to get in, a different method to make it work. And it is pretty simple to do, so don't worry, you don't have to do any coding. What I want you to do is go to Deepseek website and click on docs right here. Once you click on doc, you'll find this data. We need the curl because if you go back on N8N, it says import curl. So we'll click on this, go back to Deepseek, copy this data and just paste it here. Click on import and your Deepseek model is ready to use. Next, you need your API key. I would recommend you to do a recharge of $1 and it will last you eternity. I've been using this model a lot and I've still used only 1 cent. Go to API key, create a new one. So I'll write subscribe and create API key. Now I'm going to delete this API key, so please don't use it in your workflows. I'll copy this and I'll paste it right here. Now we'll go down. This is the JSON body that Deepseek has given. We'll click up right here and you can see the model is Deepseek chat. We're telling it that you're a helpful assistant. And what's the content? What is the content that user wants? So we'll write, tell me 5 facts about America. And then we'll cross it out. Now, if I'll test this, I'm hoping it will work. If I run test, it will execute the node right here. And you can see the results are here. Now, if we see, here are 5 interesting facts of United States, diverse geography, powerhouse, things like this, political system. There will be 5 national parks. So it has given me what I wanted. You can write anything that you want in the prompt here and Deepseek will start working in your N8N module. This is the first way to use it. There is a second way to use it, which is much more safer. You'll have to go to a website called OpenRouter. Again, you'll have to create your account, simple sign up, and then go to keys. We'll create a new key and I'll say like the video, please. And then we'll do create. And we've got a new key. We'll copy this and we'll save it somewhere for the moment. Let's go back to N8N OpenRouter and we'll click on docs because we'll need this data again. Now, just copy the first one right here. And this time we're not going to do a HTTP request. This is basically if you want a single node for it, right? But if you want your AI agent to work, which will do a lot more things in future. And if you want to learn more about it, I'm sharing a lot more videos around it. But if I want my AI agent to use Deepseek as a module, I'll click on right here and I'll use OpenAI chat model. Yes, we're not going to use OpenAI, but we need this node right here. I've already set up my OpenRouter key, but I'll quickly show you how to do it again. All you need to do is the API key that you have copied, just copy back again and paste it right here. And this should be this base URL, right? Once you change these 2 things, your OpenRouter Deepseek will start working. Now, because we're not using ChatGPT right now, we'll have to remove this GPT-4o. To do that, click on expressions, go back to OpenRouter and click on back. Now right here, search for Deepseek. And we need to search the Deepseek v3 model. Now we'll copy this Deepseek chat. We'll go back to this and we'll paste it right here. And that's it. We'll also change the name to Deepseek chat model to avoid any confusions, right? So now Deepseek is incorporated in your AI agent. The reason I'm not testing it out is because you will need to have some credits in OpenRouter. If you go back to credits, you can do a slight recharge of $5 and you'll be able to use it for a very, very long time and you'll be able to create a lot of projects around it. All these data I'm sharing in my school community that is coming soon. So if you want to join it, the link will be down below. I think that's all for this video. If you have any questions, any doubts, comment down below and I'll answer you that. But thank you for watching the video.